Hello and welcome to this short film about rebuilding a set of points, turnout or switch at the far end of the Little Farm Railway. For about 30 years the points have been buried under a carpet of leaves which, holding the moisture, have caused the wooden sleepers to rot badly. This is the far end of the line as it used to be, with a small siding in the station. The plan is to repurpose these points to turn the line out onto the new turning loop. That's the subject of another video. The first job was to dig out some ground to allow the line of the track to be slewed across so the turning loop could fit into the space available. So here I am re-sleepering one of the points. The sleepers are wood and quite old now, and before I move the point I thought I would just put new sleepers on. We've got some plastic sleepers now. They're made of recycled bottle tops and they should last longer than me. So I've got to remove the old sleeper. I've taken the screws out. We take the old sleeper out from underneath. Sleeper's actually in pretty good condition really, but plastic will now last for a long time and it's recycled. So take the sleeper, put it in. There's a little tiny gauge I've made to set it at the correct distance from that rail. We'll drill the first hole to put the first screw in. Screw to hold it in. Right, and another one here. So now we have to make sure that the gauge is correct between the rails. So I've got a little track gauge somewhere here. What have I done with that? Here we are. We can put that across between the rails, and I can see that this is going to be a little bit close. So what we do, we just tap a piece of wood in there just to open it away a fraction, just to push it out a little tiny bit. That's better. So now we can attach this one in place. Screw to hold it. And then we've also got to make sure that the other one is correct. So this one, these two are held in place on that same chair, so we can put another screw in there to hold that, because those two are fixed relative to each other. So the last thing to do now is to make certain that the gauge from this side is correct. That's about correct, that one. I think that's good enough. Okay, two screws in here. I don't think you're going to want to see me replacing all the sleepers, but here's one more being done at high speed. So now we just have to test that the repaired point with all new plastic sleepers on it lets the train run through it properly. A little test. I've not tried this before, so it might be a bad experiment. This will run out onto the turning loop in a few weeks' time. That was perfect. It didn't even spill my tea. We just test it the other way now, through the straight side into the station. Perfect. No knocks, no bumps. That is a good repair. So after all that hard work, here we are approaching the repaired set of points, and as you can see, they give the wheels a smooth ride. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to the channel or give us a thumbs up. It helps us to reach others who might enjoy them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.